Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with the right cable and power source. This matters because current and connector fit determine safe charging. First, power the headset off to reduce drain, then plug the USB-C firmly into the left ear cup port. Next, connect the other end to a wall adapter or powered USB port. Listen for a soft LED blink. This confirms the headset is communicating with the charger. Once done, leave it undisturbed so charging proceeds without interruption. You should watch how the headset behaves as it charges, because the LED gives you the fastest status update. Once the cable is seated, the LED will usually flash to show active charging. A solid light means near or full capacity. Make sure the connector stays snug. Loose connections slow or stop charging. Also, remove or unplug the wireless USB dongle if you can, since continuous radio activity can add load and slightly lengthen charge time. You're almost done. Let the headset reach a full charge, typically around 3 hours or until the LED shows solid. Once charged, unplug and power it on, then verify audio and mic function to confirm normal operation. If charging fails, try swapping the USB-C cable or using another adapter or port. Many issues are simple cable or power problems. If that doesn't work, inspect the port for debris and contact support. This single troubleshooting step often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.